Your subconscious mind is the powerhouse of your life. Yes, our subconscious mind is the treasure house, it's the powerhouse which is creating everything in our life. So, that is why we need to understand some tools, techniques, and processes how to enter into the subconscious mind and how to reprogram it. And that's why today I'm giving you 3 ways to unlock the doorway to the subconscious. Yes, 3 ways to unlock the doorway to your subconscious. And these 3 ways are not something new. These are there from the beginning of time, and all the successful people have used it. Some of you are also using it, but today I'm going to explain you why these are so powerful. And so far, if you are aware about it, but if you are not using it, then this is the video that is going to help you. Especially the third one, the third way is the most important one where most people missed it. So watch the video till the end and start changing your life. When you reprogram your subconscious mind, you will reprogram your life and you will manifest your goals, desires, and dreams. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. I know that all of you are manifesting your goals, desires, and dreams, and after watching this video, your manifestation power will go really higher. The subconscious mind is like the motherboard. Yes, like in our computer system, there is this CPU, and inside CPU, the motherboard, which plays the most vital role. That is the subconscious mind in our life, in our whole system. So, in the subconscious mind, we carry all the information, all the programmings, everything that is there inside. And we know the law of attraction, the law of the universes, the law of karma, the law of love, everything is working. But all these laws or all these processes of the universe are absolutely non-biased, absolutely in auto mode. So they are not helping you, or they are not judging you, or they are not creating problem for you. They are just responding to what is going inside your head, inside your subconscious mind, the vibration that you are radiating, the belief system that you are creating or carrying, that is dictating all these laws and all these processes. And that is how you are manifesting all the good things and all the bad things as well. So now, if it's an automated system, it's a system that is working without any bias or without any judgment, then where we need to reprogram, what we have to take care of, where the programming is there, where the vibration is getting generated, where the belief systems are there. Because when we reprogram the subconscious mind, when we reprogram the belief system, when we reprogram everything, then automatically all this system, the automated matrix of the universe, the law of attraction will start working more and more in your favor. Got it? That is why when we understand the law of attraction, when we understand the process, we need to understand how to reprogram the subconscious mind. And the reprogramming the subconscious mind has become the part of all spiritual transformation from the beginning of time. From the beginning of time. Even one of the most ancient texts on self-transformation, Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, has all these processes explained thousands of years back. But I'm not taking you deep dive into everything today. Maybe if you people like, I can make another video later on and I can explain much deeper spiritual and self-transformational processes. If you want those things, let me know in the comment section. Today I'm giving you the 3 most powerful processes that you know, but you need to remember and apply them. So in these 3 ways, the first one will be the easiest one, the second one is the deeper one, and the third one is really the most important one in this triangle. So what is the easiest way to reprogram or enter into your subconscious mind and create necessary changes? It's the positive rituals. Yes, it's the positive rituals. What are these positive rituals? All the tools, techniques, and processes that I have been sharing with all of you all through these years. Affirmation, gratitude, journaling, water technique, 555 technique, all these techniques that you are doing, all these techniques are the positive rituals that you are doing consciously. Especially the keys are affirmation, autosuggestion, and self-programming. So these are the processes, which are the positive rituals, which you should be doing on a daily basis to reprogram the subconscious mind. And let me tell you, these are the easiest tool, because even if you are negative, even if you are going through negativity or depression, or your motivation is down, still you can do affirmation, or whenever you watch my videos or listen to my affirmation, your energy goes higher, right? So those are the positive rituals that you can do. And these are the first and the easiest way to reprogram the subconscious mind. These are like hitting on the surface of the subconscious mind. Now the second ways, and this is the deeper ways. For this you have to be really in an aligned mode. The first one, you can do it without alignment as well. The second one is the deeper process. It is meditation and visualization. Yes, meditation and visualization. And both meditation and visualization fall into this second category, because they are going to take you deep into your subconscious mind for reprogramming. Now meditation is very powerful, because meditation helps you organize your mind, organize your subconscious mind, settle down all the unwanted things, settle down all the unwanted programming that you have been carrying, so that when you visualize, and visualization is about reprogramming the subconscious mind, creating the new vision, imprinting it inside your subconscious mind. It's like the printing process. So meditation is like organizing, settling down, removing the crap, cleaning it, and visualization is like printing the new vision. So these two are very powerful but deep processes, and they takes time. If you want to understand more about meditation, or if you are new to meditation and want to learn and understand all about it, check this video. I have created all details about meditation and why you should meditate on a regular basis. And there is another video on visualization, and those of you who are struggling in visualization, you can check this video, because this is where I have explained how to start visualizing and how can you apply visualization. The second way is meditation and visualization, and you should do it. But here, if you are not aligned and not peaceful and not focused, then it's difficult for you to really do it. Only with time you master it. Now, the third point and the most important point, and this is what nobody talks about. I haven't seen any coach or mentor talking about this. And this is the third one. Only the Himalayan yogis or spiritual mentor, they talk about it. Rest, relax and sleep. Yes, rest, relax and sleep. Now, many people say, but AJ, rest, relax and sleep. What about dream? I'm not focusing. When I'm resting or relaxing and sleeping, I'm not talking or thinking or focusing on my dream. So how can it help me in manifestation? When you rest, relax and sleep, you actually give you time and energy to your subconscious mind to heal and maintain and relax itself. Remember, the whole body and the subconscious mind is like a machine. You have to give it to rest, so that when you give the subconscious mind, when you actually relax, take deep rest and sleep really well at night, we give time for the subconscious mind to reorganize it, repair itself, because you have been going through so much of thought process. That time when you are resting and relaxing, the subconscious mind is really repairing itself from all the negativities, all the anxiety, all the stress, all the depression that you have gone through. You know one thing, people who are having maximum anxiety, stress and depression issues, they lack in this third point. They absolutely feel restless, they never relax themselves, and they don't sleep well. And because of that, it's difficult for you to come out of that anxiety and anxiousness. Because why? Your subconscious mind is not able to repair itself. Your subconscious mind is not able to heal itself. And when it's not able to heal itself, with time, your efficiency goes down and down and down. Imagine you have a car or a bike and you are only driving it at its utmost speed and never ever giving it a rest, never ever checking the engine, never ever checking the fuel, never ever checking its shock absorbers, and never ever checking its tire, nothing, none of the things you are doing it, you are never taking it to the garage for repair or for overhauling or to clean the engine. Then how far your vehicle will go? At one point it will break down and you won't be able to ride it. Same with the subconscious mind. And I believe this is the third point nobody talks about, and this is an eye-opener for you, because you need to understand that if you are not resting well, if you are not relaxing well, or if you are not sleeping well, then your energy is constantly going down. You are becoming more anxious, more stressful, more depressed, and then your manifestation power is drastically going down. And then you are wondering, like, oh, all through the night I am awake, I am listening to all these affirmation all through the night I am watching motivational videos, all through the night I am watching funny videos, and I am trying to stay positive, but why am I not manifesting? My friend, you are not giving time to the subconscious mind to really heal itself, so that it will give you the power to manifest. So if you understand this thing, and if you start only focusing on these 3 steps with utmost importance on the third one, then you will see significant change in your life. First, affirmation, gratitude, 555 technique, water technique, and many other techniques that I've shared, even listening to audio affirmations, watching motivational videos, whichever gives you some positivity and aligned with your dreams. Easiest. Deeper process, meditation and visualization. Powerful process, rest, relax and sleep. If you start understanding these 3 process, you will open doorway to your subconscious mind reprogramming, and then your manifestation power will go immensely higher. So if this video has helped you, inspired you, like it, comment, let me know in the comment section how this video has helped you, and share it with someone you love. If you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes, you can check our powerful program Transform Your Destiny on our Awesome AJ Academy. Link is in the description and comment section. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. Always remember, you have infinite power within you. You deserve to achieve your dreams. Stay motivated, stay awesome. This is Awesome AJ. Thank you.